Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: Visual Studio with the data workload and a local DB or SQL Server Express instance, because Visual Studio uses them to host the MDF file. Once done, open Server Explorer and click Add New Connection to start creating a database. You pick Microsoft SQL Server, then choose Local DB, /MSSQL Local DB or your instance. This establishes the connection. Make sure authentication is correct, so Visual Studio can enumerate databases and allow creation. Now you create the database and structure it. Right-click Data Connections, choose Create Database, and give it a descriptive name so you can find it later. This stores an MDF in your project folder. Once created, open the Table Designer to add columns, primary keys, and data types, because correct types prevent runtime errors. Next, define relationships and indexes to optimize queries. Finally, run a simple insert script to seed test rows, ensuring your tables and constraints behave as expected. To finish, wire the database into your app. Copy the connection string from Server Explorer into App Settings, JSON or Web. Config, use attached DB file name for file-based DBs. Then test queries in Server Explorer and run your application to verify CRUD operations. If deployment is required, detach the MDF or migrate to a hosted SQL server. If something goes wrong, check the instance name, authentication mode, and firewall. Often correcting the instance string or switching integrated security resolves common connection errors.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.